All right, so boom, check it out, y'all. So let me know in the comments, what is your top 3 cities for food? So of course you got your options from New Orleans, Chicago, you got New York, wherever, but let me know in the comments. For me, number 1 gotta be New Orleans. New Orleans gotta be number 1. So I did a spin on the classic po' boy. What we doing is a lobster rich boy. Cause if you ever seen the price of lobster, it's like, it's hot enough. And when I tell you with each bite, it's a flavored explosion in your mouth, if you will. Be mature. But look, all right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it though.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You now turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
All right, so first things first. You're gonna need you about 3 medium size, or yeah, you're gonna need about 3 large lobster tails to 4 to 5 small ones, okay? And I know y'all like to ask. We'll wash these after we cut these up, okay? So, how you gonna do this? If you can see, so we'll go ahead and turn the lobster sideways. So you're gonna cut all the way through this, because we're finna prop this out. Take out that tail meat. So whether you want your chunks little, small. So here we go. Go ahead and put this into a bowl. Repeat the process with the rest of these. All right, so I'll be right back after I wash these off right quick. All right, so we're gonna make our little wet batter, all right? Because it's real simple to make this. All right, so get you a cup of some all-purpose flour. Then we're gonna add a cup of some cornstarch. All right, so we're gonna season this up with some Old Bay. Don't go crazy on it because, you know what I mean, the lobster already got a natural seasoning to it, so yeah, you ain't got to OD. A little onion powder. All right, and we get some unsalted lemon pepper, smoked paprika. Throw in some hot sauce. Yeah, get you some sparkling water, club soda. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this until it becomes like a pancake texture. All right, so whisk until you get that pancake batter type texture. Again, if you know anything about my channel, I cook off of vibes, and you know what I mean? You just know when you know. If you need measurements and things like that, all of that'll be in the description box below. This right here is the texture that you're looking for, okay? Now the sauce is gonna be mad simple, all right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add some mayo first, all right? So what's crazy is a lot of people say they don't like mayo. Ugh, if it's white, I can't do it. Like, 1, you need to grow up, and 2, like, mayo is the base for a lot of stuff, whether it's ranch, aioli, you know what I mean? It's the base for a lot of stuff. I promise you, mayo is not as intolerable as you think. So we're gonna throw in some Ancho chili powder, a little bit of this Frank's Red Hot honey, some Dijon Mustard. We're gonna add us in some lemon juice. Just about the juice from half a lemon. That's all you're gonna need for this. Throw a little bit of that hoochie sauce up in there. Now, for all intents and purposes, if you go to find hoochie sauce at the store, you're not gonna. It's Worcestershire, but it's a little easier to just say hoochie sauce. But okay, go ahead and get everything mixed around. Let me tell you, this is my cookbook, Kitchen Culture, the best big bag cookbook on the market. So we got 90 recipes in here. It is not all big bag recipes. It's like 3 vegetable recipes in here. So I mean, it's something for a little bit of everybody. Cocktails, desserts. So let me just show you real quick. All right, so garlic parmesan lobster bites. You know, you mean strawberry henna colada if you're trying to get lit on the weekend or in the middle of the week, whatever works for you. You know what I mean? Tomato basil soup. The possibilities are endless. Bourbon baked beans. So if you ain't already, grab you a copy. The link will be in the description box below. All right, so with these, we gotta move quick, all right? So drop your lobster into your wet batter. That's all we need is a wet batter. And we got our oil up to about 350 right now, so with this, just make sure you move that around so that way that doesn't stick to the bottom. So this is gonna go for roughly about 4 to 6 minutes. Or until it floats. That's another way you can tell too. Want to make sure it's nice and golden brown. So once they're done, we're gonna go ahead and take these off and put them in the bowl. All right, get you some fresh bread. Just cut it into whatever desirable size that you want to do for a po' boy. So maybe about, yeah, just measure it out, whatever works for you, okay? And then we're just gonna simply slice through the middle here. Not all the way though. Slice it like a children's storybook. If you need more sandwich than that, you greedy as hell, like for real. But okay, so we're gonna go ahead and toast this real quick. Melt down half a stick of some unsalted or salted butter, it don't matter. Press this on down, and we're just gonna toast this till it's nice and golden brown. So probably about 2-3 minutes. All right. I like my little extra butter. You could totally use less butter if you want to, but go ahead, set this aside. Real simple, we're gonna hit this bread up with that sauce first and be generous with it. Boom, straight like that. Add that shredded lettuce over the top. And whether you get red or you get yellow onions, white onions, but we're gonna get some slices here. Grab you a couple pickle slices on that thing too. Place your tomatoes on. Add your lobster on over. Then I'm gonna add me a little bit of Parmesan over the top of this, okay? Then, I mean, you ain't gotta do this, but to make it look a little cute, add a little parsley in. You know, we put parsley on everything, so. Now let me tell you something. This ain't even big bad. This is greedy as hell. But oh yeah. Oh yes, Lord. I'm ready
You gotta hit the.
What else say? What up, you saying? I'm leaving with something. Oh, yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tune into the Chef Cord in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.